Hey guys, welcome to Infinity Industrial. This is our shop, and this is our ops manager. This is John Uraki, and we're taking a look at one of our new hybrid panels. These are actually being manufactured in-house for one of the largest restaurant chains in the world. I'm not going to name names, but anyway, the hybrid panel has a lot of features. And John, take it away. Tell us about how you can control your entire retail space.
So this is an HMI, so you can control your timers. So each timer will turn on your lights, turn them off at certain times of the day, and set schedules for it. Use your lights, an overview. There's also a phase loss in here. So if there is 3-phase power and you lose one of the phases,
Right.
it will not damage any of that equipment.
Okay.
Like your rooftop units or your ovens or anything that's 3-phase.
That's an amazing kind of safety net, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you burn up equipment, then that's a lot of money out the door, and this prevents that.
Yes.
Excellent. So, John, how fast can you get these panels out the door?
Within a week.
A week. That's insane. I mean, this is the day and age of lead times of, oh, we can get it for you next year. Thanks. That's wild. So, you heard it here first. If you need a panel, these guys, Infinity Industrial, will get it done for you.